Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something special here with me, yes, because I'm gonna do my first giveaway, because SharpDressedKnives was really generous to donate this set of scales to the channel for my first giveaway. Really cool. You can check them out. Website is SharpDressedKnives.com, and they gave me this set of Spyderco Smock carbon fiber scales. Really cool. Look at that. They're smooth, nicely matte, beautifully finished and pretty precise. And they just gave them to me to donate to somebody that's gonna win this giveaway just by subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment down below, and follow me on Instagram at Fablades. So pretty simple instruction, guys. I'm just gonna leave the comment section open for 24 hours. Then I'm gonna just close it down and randomly draw somebody that left a comment right over here. So there you have it. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy this first giveaway. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and good luck.